Hi, I'm Amanda Harris, Account Manager at Centriforce. We're on site today with PMK Civil Engineering. PMK are doing a cable installation that requires Stokbord utility protection covers to ENATS 1223 Class 2. Let's see how they're installed. This installation forms part of a wider infrastructure project by PMK Civil Engineering. The trench has been cleared, levelled and is now ready for cable protection. Stokbord utility protection is a heavy-duty, impact-resistant board used to protect buried utilities and warn future excavators. Lay the first board. Start by placing a Stokbord panel, flatten the trench with the printed warning text facing up. Align each panel. Use the integrated peg and slot system to securely join panels. Check for gaps and alignment. Ensure a continuous run with no overlapping or gaps. Repeat and inspect. Continue along the trench, inspecting joins as you go. Stokbord utility protection offers long-term buried warning, high impact resistance, fast tool-free installation, made from 100% recycled plastic right here in the UK. Now you've seen Stokbord being installed. If you require any information on any of our other products, please contact centriforce.com.